Yes, very dark man said it's in China, in Guangzhou. I listened to what he was saying, I think yesterday, that he's looking for a tech guy, which means he went to China for a business. What brought him to China is for business. Probably he want to form up a product to bring to the to Nigerian space, and that was what brought him. The second thing he was saying that yes, some Nigerians were defrauded by Chinese, and some Chinese were as well defrauded by Nigerians. So he said he want to reach a common ground where, because of the fraud and the corruption going on, the fraud that is affecting the economy. Everything is affecting the economy, bro. The politicians and their looting and their fake life has affected the economy, and the economy is in shambles. You heard it from your friend, from Davido. It's not China, it's not Chinese that caused the situation in Nigeria like that, and it's not even the Nigerians who defrauded the Chinese that made it so. So these two things were the things that brought him to China. But now, where I got attached to, where I got interested, he said he was looking for a group, a head of a group that he will. So what I think very dark man was looking for is looking for a contact. You understand? And now it's in China. The only people I know who are really traders, who are doing business in China is Igbo people. And secondly, the only people I know all over the world that have group, every country you go, you will find Igbo Union. It's Igbo people. So now he's looking for a group, the head of a group. He said that they can come and meet him in his address in one hotel. He's gonna meet you for what? What are they gonna meet you for? You want to fight for, you want to catch the criminals, the Chinese who defrauded Nigerians, or you want to catch the Nigerians who defrauded Chinese? Which one do you want to do? First of all, bro, you need to go and learn Chinese. Secondly, if is looking for someone, a contact who is going to hold on to, he is afraid to invest in that tech he want to do. So now he's looking for someone who's going to hold responsible if he fails or if his money is being defrauded. That is what he want to do. So, and the people that he will still go back to is Igbo people. There is no Yoruba group there. There is no Hausa group. No Bini group there. No Edo group. No Hausa group. You cannot find any group. Nobody. It's only Igbo people. Go and check. If you like, move the whole China. You will only find Igbo Union there. No other group. So, Igbo people, sachanụ tune of ma, clean your ears very well. Nwa amadima ahụ ihe ọbụ for me, na-akpọ ya sabo ọhịa ọbụ. If you want you to get involved in his business, better know that any day you mention his name in a wrong way, he's going to open up everything. That is what he does. You understand? I don't want to talk much about him. The only thing I will tell you, be careful. If you want to learn a business, you should go and serve under a master. Serve a master and become a businessman like Igbo people. Or better still, you go to school and learn business administration before you go to China to do business. Don't allow him to use you, because at the end of the day, you will put yourself in stress. He has already group in Nigeria, like the military people or police people, who has given him go ahead. If anybody do this, bring the case to us. We're going to handle it. That is what is giving him the power. You see him the way he's fuming. That is the only thing giving him the power. He cannot do it alone. And let me tell him, if he does not know, fraudsters are everywhere. Let me tell you one thing I know about Americans. There was one American woman who was defrauded in Nigeria. The woman reported to American embassy. American embassy, through their offices, they sent Interpol. America, I'm talking about America. They sent Interpol. Interpol went to Nigeria and meet Nigerian force like EFCC or DSS. Then they went underground and start to search those boys, start to track them. Do you get what I'm saying? So crime, you went to China, you are not going to look for fraudsters in China, because number one, you don't speak China, you don't know anywhere. In Nigeria, it's easy to defraud anybody. Somebody may be living in Abuja and he will give you my address is Mushi. There is Nigeria don't have any address. Nobody has address in Nigeria except the ones in Lekki or Ikoyi, whatever. But that is not address. Everybody should have address. Do you understand what I'm saying? If I want to defraud you now, I'm not going to give you my address. I will give you any address I like. Do you get what I'm saying? The same thing is happening in China. Chinese government is not aware about their people defrauding other people. They don't care about that. If you commit crime in China, they will catch you and jail you. No two ways about it. If you commit crime in Nigeria, you pay and they leave you. That is what is happening in Nigeria. So if you are onye Igbo, o chant go ọfụma nwa amadi ma ahụ kwa ọkwa ndị a na-asị n'azụ ata mmadụ. Ọ chọrọ ọ bụ na ọ na-achọ contact ya chọwa ndị be ha. O ruo na China, ọ nọ na China na ya chọwa ndị be ha. Ya chọọ ndị be ha, ndị group, onye isi group ndị be ha. Ọ bụ na ha nwere any organization or ha nwere any community, ya chọọ ndị be ha. Ya mee the business with ndị be ha. Ya ejekwana eje banye unu na ntị ụchakwanụ ntị unu ka unu arịsị na unu amahụ. Echi nwa amadi ma ga-ebupụtakwa na n'efere mba ụwa. Ọkwa ọrụ ihe ọ na-arụ. O buru unu buje unu one place. Nwekwa ihe ọzọ ọ na-arụ. Ihe ọ na-arụ onwe ike ido onwe ihe ya na mmadụ kwuru. Gị na ya kwuo ihe na like normally gị na mmadụ mee business. You keep the secret. You understand? Ọ bụ na ọ chọrọ ịmụ business, ya jee n'ime ahịa jee mụọ business. Unu ejekwana were onwe unu tụsara ya. Ọ ga-ala unu n'iyi at the end of the day. Enwe ndị na-eso ya ka mumu, ndị na-eso ya ka mumu. At the end of the day ka ha ga-amata na nwa amadi ahụ nwere ihe ọ na-achụ. Onye ịfụrụ na-achụ ego ka ọ na-achụ. Ọ chụga ihe a na-akọ because ọ bụ na ọ chọrọ ịkọ corruption, ọ bụ na ọ na-ekwu gbasara corruption. The whole politicians are corrupt and ekwu okwu ha. Nobody is talking about that. Ibi na-achụgharị individual n'ọrụ onwe ha, ndị na-achụgharị onwe ha ego, ị na-achụ ha na igwe onye isi obodo Nigeria ọ bụ onye ọjọọ and all the corrupt. Kwubo okwu ya every day. If you know that you are a real activist, talk about the president, the vice, the senate president. All of them are corrupt. Yes, they are all corrupt. If you know that you get mind, talk about them on a regular basis. You cannot do that. That is what I'm saying. So, ọ bụ na ọ bịara China bụ ime business, ya jee chọwa business because egwu na-atụ ya. Ọ maghị ebe ọ ga-etinye ego ya, ha eri ego si ọ na-achọ onye ọ ga-aghada aka, ọ ya bụ ego efuo, o jidezie gị sị gị na ya iwu onye Igbo na ịma ana na ọ ndị Igbo. Nwere onye ọzọ ọ ga-afụ na-abụghị ndị Igbo. So unu ga-awụcha ntị unu ọfụma. Onye chọrọ ime business ya gbaa moto jewe China, felie n'elu jee China, iruo dị ịchọba onye China. Inweta mmadụ na street erie n'ego gị, imetekwana ya udo, ọ otu esi eme business. So ọ bụrụ otu o si achụ crime ka esi achụ crime or fraudsters, ọ bụrụ ka esi eme ya. If you want to fight crime, it is the duty of government of the country to use their outfit. I mean, their security outfit, like police, that is well spread to fight crime so that everything will reach the whole place, not one person. You stay in Lagos, you are talking about somebody in Lekki, somebody in Ikeja. That's not how to fight crime. You fight crime in a broader way. Do you get what I'm saying? You may be doing some certain things well, but in a broader form, no, that's not how to fight corruption. So, you know, like me, I always tell you people, Nigeria is a university of corruption. Total Nigeria. That's where they breed corrupt people. So, if he succeeds in getting a tech person, good luck for him. But if it is to look for an Igbo man to attach himself, then tomorrow the Igbo man will become a corporate and start to reign. Igbo people are the frauders. Already mentioning Igbo people alone, they will say that you make fake products, that your money is not genuine. These are the things that they're going to tell you. So, I mean, I've warned you people on time. Don't say I didn't warn you. This is my submission. Thank you.